Somebody said credentials needed. My credentials. So I used to teach this stuff. I have a bachelor's degree. I have a bachelor's degree in information technology from the University of Phoenix. So you need a bachelor's degree? No, you don't need a bachelor's degree to get into cybersecurity. You don't need one. And the reason why I say that is because a friend of mine, actually, about a year, 2 years ago, about a year and a half ago, a friend of mine who watches me, by the way, he became a friend because we just talk. He took one of my courses and he's contacted me directly. He said, Bruce, I'm trying to get a job. I took your course. It's really awesome. I'm getting all these calls and stuff, but is there something else? You got to say, yeah, man, actually the job I'm working for, they're looking for a position. Let me see your resume. He sent me his resume. He had no degree, but he had application security. And I was like, oh, we need an application security guy. I said, hey, would you be interested in working this? He said, yes. I forwarded it to my supervisor, my boss at the time, and they contacted him, and the dude got the job. That's not even the crazy part. The dude already had a job offer, and then the job I was working for offered him another job. So he's, damn, I don't know which one to take. He took the other job, and he was at the other job for a while, and then quit that job because it sucked, and then came to work with me, and we were working on the same teams for a while. And then I actually left the company, but he's still there. So he didn't have a degree. I think he might be working on his degree now, but he didn't have one. And then what he did has his experience. He had application security experience, which is like the ability to like scan and know the source code and know how to do stuff like that. Experience, let me put it to you like this. Here's a hierarchy. It goes like this: experience over degree over certification. All right. Now, there are high-level certifications that will be better than having a degree or as good as having a degree, and one of those is called a CISSP. There's professional level certs that are better than having, in some cases, better than having a degree. So the reason why people focus on degrees so much is because the degrees is the things that help you to get to that six-figure mark. Like when you're talking about a degree, it's going to get you in the door for that six-figure mark. Is that the only way to get six figures? Absolutely not. CISSP and experience is one way to get six figures. OSCP, which is a hacker certification, which is very difficult, with some experience, that will get you six figures. The CCNP with some networking experience, that will get you six figures. Experience will get you in the doors and get you six figures. With a high level certifications can get you in the door and six figures. You don't absolutely need a degree. That said, if you happen to have the opportunity to have a degree, then I would recommend one. If you have the money, the time, the resources to get one, yeah, it's just going to open more doors for you. Think about it like this. You are competing against hundreds of thousands in some cases of different applicants. Even in cybersecurity that's in high demand, you're still competing for high-level good jobs. Think of it like that. The more things that you have on your resume, the better of a competitor you are. That's not to say you won't get a job, but it will be harder to get the really good jobs.